So it's another day of decluttering. Full disclosure, Tina already lives here. And so I'm a little behind on this part, but we need to make room for some of her kitchen appliances. Well, not appliances, her spices. So I don't know if you can see, but in the back corner, she has like a stack of all of her spices, like it's over 20 of them. And I already have some here. So this is where I keep all of my spices. But Tina is a master chef and she has her own spices, and some of them are different from the ones that I have. So where will the overflow spices go? They are going to go behind you. So I'll show you in just a second. But in my kitchen, I have what is technically a bedroom dresser. So in my last apartment, I was furnishing it and I bought this dresser from Article that I love, by the way. I really love it. But when I moved into my house, my bedroom was actually too big to have a dresser in it. And so instead, I decided to use it downstairs, and it's like a makeshift sideboard type thing. And right now it's a whole bunch of junk in all 6 drawers. All 6 drawers are stuffed with things. And it's random things like kitchen towels. Some of my like cleaning supplies are in there. It's a lot of different things, like a lot. My medicine stuff is in there. So I'm going to clean out one of the drawers to make room for her spices. I will eventually get to all of the drawers, but I'm going to handle the things that have to be done now, because right now all of her spices are just sitting on a random corner of the kitchen counter. And number one, that's not aesthetically pleasing. And y'all know I'm all about the aesthetics when it comes to my house. And so number one, it's not aesthetically pleasing. And number two, that's not all that functional for her to have to like walk around the peninsula to get the spices, then walk back around to cook. So she ordered these. So I just finished building the spice rack. They're these like acrylic things that just snapped together. We have to build it. This one came broken because look at this. So it's supposed to have these little things on the end. This one is broken. It doesn't have a way to snap it. She gave me permission to organize everything for her because she knows that I'm like, everything is content. And so she gave me permission to unbox and build the spice rack and then put the spices in. So let me show you what we're working with as far as the drawers go. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. Just like random assortment of things. This is a cleaning thing. These are parts to my vacuum that I actually need to replace, so I'm glad I found these. Another part to my vacuum. There's actually still some clothes in here because remember I told you that this used to be in my bedroom? Yeah, there are still clothes in here. And I haven't lived in that apartment in going on 2 years at this point. This is something that me and my mom actually got when we were thrifting. It was supposed to go in my guest bathroom and I would put mouthwash in here for my guests, but that never happened because I wanted to put up like a floating shelf in the bathroom and that never happened. So, which meant I never got to use this. But maybe I can find a use for this in my bathroom. If not, then I will end up re-thrifting this and give this to another thrift store. More, ooh, fuzzy socks. I love fuzzy socks. All this needs to be washed, all these clothes. For my adult beverages, the mixing. What is this? Oh, I remember when I bought this that I never used. These are shelves to put albums because I do have a few albums in my collection. I bought this and never even opened it. Consumerism, a candle wick thing. This is to squeeze lemon juice, I think. A wine saver. Ooh, I remember someone got me this as a gift. It's to shuck oysters. Because if you don't know, I love oysters. And this is knives and gloves. These are actually like dividers. So I guess I can keep one in here if it'll stand up, right? It is a bit dusty. Okay. Looking good, looking good. She can just about let this go. That is how much she has left in here. It's about time to let that go. I thought about like, what if they were organized alphabetically, but what are the odds of her keeping it that way? I don't know. We could try. That'll be fun. I just realized that it would probably be a good idea if I had some type of liner to go in here because, you know, these are spices and like if anything spills. So eventually I'll get a liner, but for now I'm going to use one of these cloths that I have. There we go. Some protection. Cinnamon, cinnamon, cinnamon. This huge thing of curry. This huge thing of curry. Okay, y'all, so one step closer to decluttering. That drawer is completely set up for her and it is alphabetized. At least the smaller spices are. I didn't actually alphabetize the bigger ones. Now the perfectionist in me wants to go back and alphabetize the bigger ones. But I'm going to resist and I'm going to call it a day here. There are still more things that I need to do around the house. It's February and that Christmas tree is still up. Tina says she doesn't care. However, I should probably take it down because last year when it was just me living here, that Christmas tree stayed up until April. So I can't just go off of Tina doesn't care, because obviously I don't care either, because leave it up to me, it'll stay up 4 months past when it should be. But it's also been snowing a lot, and so I don't know, it's nice to still have the Christmas tree up when it's actually snowing, because it didn't snow during December, but it is snowing now. Yeah, I don't know how many more videos there will be in this decluttering / organization series. This may be the last one for a while, because I do have other things going on that I need to take care of. So the other things may just come naturally along the road when I have time to do them, and or when it is necessary to do them. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this series so far. And like I said, possibly there'll be more, but it'll probably be later in the future. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up and leave some comments down below. And make sure you're subscribed. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers this year. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.